Ladies and gentlemen, I thank all of you for attending our 25th wedding anniversary celebrations tonight. Norris, my son, has done a wonderful job in organizing this party, and we both thank him for making our 25th wedding anniversary a beautiful one. A successful marriage requires two persons falling in love with one another many times. I am fortunate to have NOELLA as my wife. NOELLA is a perfect match for me, and this is a perfect occasion to say how much I love you for being the amazing and beautiful person that you are. Thank you. Thank you. The total sum of love two married persons give to one another defies calculations. When we got married in St. Mary Church, Dubai, 1994, I would not have dreamt that our married life would be so wonderful. Even with the ups and downs of life throws at us, we have been able to make a bond that has seen us through our difficult times. Norris has been a source of life in our life, and we thank God Almighty for filling our lives with love and happiness. A single person is nothing. Two married persons belonging to each other make the world. I hope you all enjoy the party. Here's to the prettiest, here's to the prettiest, here's to the sweetest one, here's to the neatest one, here's to them all, here's to you. Cheers.
Okay. Now NOELLA has to say something as well. Come on, NOELLA, come on.
Good evening, everyone. I thank God for this beautiful day, as well as we thank God for bringing us together. It was God's will that we have got together and we have got married. Secondly, Lord Jesus, I thank you for showering endless blessing on us throughout our marriage life. On behalf of Norris and Francis, I would like to thank each and everyone for coming here and giving your precious time to us. Thank you.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, you your boss. Fantastic. All right, guys, before we have the grand march, I would request